Hello, my name is Ojon Godwin and welcome to Snapty Institute. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download from your email, extract, and install Adobe Photoshop designing tool in your computer. We are going to start from accessing our emails. So I'm going to share my screen. Okay, right here, if you will receive an email, or when you receive an email about, this is the email about the registration information and installation of application. What you're gonna do is from this mail, you're going to see information about the registration. You're going to see a matricule number. You're going to see other conditions that are there for you to perform. However, our concern for this video is for us to see how to download and install, extract and install Adobe Photoshop. So this is the link. Here you can download this, you can click here on this link if you have Google Drive. But if you don't have Google Drive, you can come straight away on this other link that is down here where you see Adobe Photoshop. It's a zip file. Realize that it's a zip file. So you download the zip file by clicking on download here. When you click on download, it's gonna watch how it's downloading here. All right. Now, after downloading, you need to install. You need to install the application. So we are going to see how to install this application. So we'll move straight away here. And on this other window, we realize that the application has been downloaded. It has been downloaded as a zip file. So this is it here as Adobe Photoshop zip file. So you need to extract it in order to have this set up before installing. So how are you going to do that? You must have Winrar installed in your machine. And sometimes you don't have Winrar that is installed in your machine. You need to go back to Google and make sure that you download Winrar. And for you to download Winrar, you can just come to this website to type www.fileable.com. From here, you can come. This website gives you it's a database of different computer utilities or programs that you can use and install in your machine. Right here, you are going to type Winrar and search. You're going to see different. You're going to see the Winrar here. This is Winrar. Winrar. You can now click to download the Winrar. Now, if you click and you download the Winrar, it's going to download here. Or you close this and you wait for it to download. Actually, before downloading, it will take you to this platform and it's asking you to download the free version and you should buy. So actually go straight to download free version. So you click them and it's asking you to download Opera. Don't download Opera with the app. Just go click on this other link. No, thanks. I will continue downloading Winrar 64.8 4-bit. So you click on that one. It's gonna take you to this other page where you are going to see how it is downloading it automatically for you. Now, after that, you can install it. You just install the app in your machine. After installing, you're going to see how it's going to show you every other application that is a zip file. Any application that has a zip file that is encrypted, it's going to give you these particular windows, or it gives you this particular icon with Winrar logo there. Now, you have to unzip it. For you to unzip it, you need to extract. That is the second part of it. Now we are extracting. We have seen how to download and install. We have seen how to download. But now we need to extract and install the Adobe Photoshop to have a setup like this. So for us to do that, we right click on the Adobe Photoshop here and we'll take extract here, or if you want to extract to a folder, you click extract to Adobe Photoshop. This is going to create a folder and extract this setup inside. So, but we are going to extract here. When you click on extract here, you're going to see how it's going to be extracting here. Since I already extracted, they're asking me to confirm the placement. So I'm going to from it. So I'm going to cancel it because I've already extracted that. So, but that is a process to extract. So after that, you have the setup. Now, from the setup after extraction, you need to start installing. Now, let's see the installation process. You double click on the setup. And you click on yes. After that, you're going to wait for the windows to pop up. That's going to give you the possibility to install the application. Now you have next, click on next. And on this other page, you need to do select the version that you want to install. So there are two versions here. There is a 32-bit and there is a 64-bit Photoshop. And for you to check if your machine, the properties of your machine actually are compatible with this software, you need to come to your computer to do that. And for those who are using Windows 7 below, there you'll be seeing you need to go to my computer to go and right click and you take properties to see if your machine is 32-bit or 64-bit. But for those who are using any operating system from Windows 8 and above, you need to come to this PC. As you can see here, this is this PC. I will right click on this PC and I will take properties. When I click on properties, it's going to give me this windows. Now I'm going to check and see the different properties that are there. Now, here this is the system type. It's giving me 64-bit operating system. Okay, now I have confirmed the properties of my machine. I can now go back to my app and continue to choose what I want to install. So if I come back here, I'm coming to choose Photoshop CS6 64 or times 64 extended. And if it is 32, choose the other one or with extended. So that will give you all the features that are there. So that's the version I'm going to choose and install in my machine. So I'll take next. That's selecting that, and it will give me the directory where I'm going to save that. I'll take next again. I'll take next again. I'll take next, and here I'm going to install. Immediately I click on install, the process will start. So after installation, you are going to move straight to see this. You open it. When you open it, you're going to have this application already installed in your machine. When you open it, you have this interface. So this is the interface of the Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop. And I'm going to run quickly to show you the different sections of this particular application and how we'll be using that. Okay, if you look up here at the top, this is what we call the Adobe Photoshop ribbon, where we have the different tabs from File to Hub. So this is the ribbon. On the left-hand side, you are going to see the Adobe Photoshop tools. This is a tool panel where you're going to see the designing tools panel that are there, from move tool right up to the tool that is down here for foreground and the background colors that you have. There you will be seeing shapes, the shape tools, and so on and so forth. Now, on the right-hand side, you have the other one that is here that is giving you other elements like the character, the paragraph, and things like that you are going to see them there. Now, these other bigger windows that is here, this bigger windows is your designing windows, where you'll be doing your design using these tools that are here and using these other ones that are here. However, we are going to still set up the designing platform because it's not yet set up. It's not yet ready for us to start designing. For us to do that, we move straight to Windows. We'll click on this window here. See, or on the ribbon, we'll come to Window, click on Window, move to Workspace. click on workspace or point on that or arrow on workspace, you move straight, you cross to essentials and default, then move straight to reset essentials. Immediately you click on reset essentials, watch on the right hand side, you are going to see the panel appearing there where you see the layers, you see channels, you see paths, and so on and so forth, and all of that. Okay, now you have done the setup, and you need to, the setup is not yet complete. Now, another thing for you to do is for you to activate something that's going to enable you to be editing your design easily. So for you to do that, you need to come to this tool panel, and the tool panel is indicated here on marking. So on the rectangular marking tool. So we'll move it to the move tool, or you press V on your keyboard to take you to the move tool. When you come to the move tool, just below the find, edit, and image, you are going to see auto select, and it's unchecked. So you need to check it by clicking there. It's going to give you a tick there. Then you move under again, type, select, and filter. You're going to see another unchecked box that is called show transform controls. So we check that, tick that. After doing these settings, now your windows and everything, your Photoshop is ready for design. And another thing I need to add is about paragraphs and character that you'll be using in order to reduce the spacing of different lines, the spacing of your text that you'll be putting on your design. So it's not indicating here. So I need to come back to Windows, and I come and click on paragraph. If I take this paragraph, it's going to appear here. So it will appear here, you see the character and paragraph appear, and I'll click on this arrow for me to hide it. I'll click on this arrow, it's going to hide it. But each time I need to edit my text to talk about, let me say, reducing the spacing between or text, I'm coming to use this character here to do that, and so on and so forth. So this is how to download a zip file that is sent to you through email of an Adobe Photoshop designing tool, or extract it using a computer, maybe an external application called Winrar that is going to aid you to do that easily. You can download that and install. Then after extraction, you install the app, install the application. After installing the application, you do the setup. These are the settings we have done. And now our application, our Photoshop designing tool, Adobe Photoshop designing tool, is ready for us to start designing. So in the next video, we are going to start seeing how to create our first designs. Thank you for being there. Thank you very much.